Holy smokes. That's coming down. Wow, look at the devastation, bro. We were looking at a footage of this yesterday, and we were just seeing the smoke. We couldn't see the buildings falling, but the smoke was definitely collapse. The smoke definitely were indications of collapse. And this smoke is different. This is fire. This is whoa. Devastation, bro. Oh, the building just potentially fell on another building. Wow. And those are rescue attempts. Let's get some This is the first, the number of people that have passed that we've gotten a report on. It was a 7.6 magnitude earthquake. That's pretty strong, man. Chase, what's going on, bro? Chase, what's going on, brother? Let me get this. What did you do? What did you do overnight? You had 200 followers, then you went to sleep, and now you have 2.3K. What did you do? Did you put up a video that went viral? Wow. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Was it a video? You gotta show us the video. Link the video so I can help you get some more views, bro. This is ridiculous, bro. Look at this. The house fell on the car. Holy smokes. Oh, nice. Well, you got to tell me a secret, man. What's the secret to escalating, going viral? Copy that, copy that. Bro, this is wild, bro. One day you're fine, everything is fine. The next day you're under rubble. People are trying to dig you out. That's crazy, bro. Look at this. Yeah, everything is done, bro. There was a whole apartment building on its side, bro. You had to see it, bro. It's crazy. "10 feet waves, yo." They could have 10-foot. The house just dropped. Pancake. Oh my goodness. There's devastation everywhere, bro. But these are fairly minor. Just, you know, things on the floor. You can fix this really easy. People passed away. This is tough, bro. This is wild. Yo, that's crazy, right? New Year's Eve. I believe it happened. That's crazy, right? Like, damn. That's actually tough, bro. Like, holy shit. Right, the night before 2024. That's insane. That's actually insane. And this is all like a process that they got to go through now to get back to normality or to normal life. Look at the street, bro. Damn. Damn. Bro, it looked like the street was breathing, bro. The rocks on the street, the foundation was doing like this. The street it looked like it was breathing. Like, holy shit. Oh, fella, what you doing, fella? Oh, back in the car, back in the car. And they're saying now that the number of people that passed away is 30. That's relatively a small number. That's a lot of people
こち
in
ら
any
石
in any
川
event.
県輪島市の上空です。
That's relatively low for a massive scale earthquake like this, in my opinion. You know what I mean?
すべてが真っ
So that's
黒
a
になっ
good
てしまっ
thing.
ていま
That's a good
す。
thing.
炎症が続
Any
いておりま
death
す
is。a horrible death.
上空からでも炎や
understood,
煙が確認できます。
A lower number is better than a higher number. You know what I mean? So
確認できます。
with that respects, 30
石川県輪島市の上空です。輪島市から少し離れたところ
I
に
don't
いる
want
の
to
で
say
すが、
reasonable
画面中
number
央
because
煙が上がっているのが確認できます。
but it's just a lower number than expected. 30 people is a lot of people, bro. That's still a lot of people. But if you look at the whole widespread thing, it could be in the thousands. You know what I mean? And in respects to that, you would say, thank goodness it was only 30. Even though that sounds kind of messed up to say.
輪島市の上空、火災現場の様子です。未だ、
And then they are expected to get aftershocks. So look at this building on the side, bro. This is the building I was telling you about. The building just fell on its side, bro.
午前7時53分、石川県輪島市の上空です。地震の
That's crazy. This is crazy.